Hey guys, so I was reading the codes today with my Bluetooth reader, and I find out that I actually have a kind of not critical, but very not nice code, let's put it that way, which is C1116, I believe. Basically what it is, it's for the brake light switch. So whenever I push the brakes, my brake lights are not coming on, apparently. And a while ago I just checked, and for sure they're not coming on. I couldn't go to the Nissan dealer because I was driving right here, and I decided just to stop right here at the Advanced Auto Parts, and I picked up one of those switches over here. So I just went and I got one of these little switches. Hopefully it works, hopefully it lasts, and hopefully that was the issue. I mean, it's just a simple switch on and off, so how bad could it be? Even if it's I don't know, what is it, Chinese made? Where is it made? Let's see. Does it say? Oh, it's a Taiwan. Well, I seen worse. So I'm gonna try to do it right now, to do a quick fix. Just replace the switch, and hopefully my brake lights are working again. So let's find out. So this is the switch, that's where it's located right now. So as we push the pedal, it's supposed to release and the brake light's supposed to go on, but it's not happening. So I'm gonna try to remove it and replace it. So I'll be back in 1 minute, as it's kind of hard right now to film it and do it together. I just unplugged the connector over here, and if I remember correctly, it's supposed to just twist it one of the ways and it's supposed to come out. But before I do that, actually let me test the new switch. I'm just gonna plug it in over here, start the car, push the brakes and see if it works. Alright, I actually did that real test right now. Started the car, plugged in the new switch over here, and the brake lights are on. So now I just gotta take out this old switch and put a new one in there. Alright, so to take out this bad unit, we have to twist it counterclockwise. Just twist it. There we go. And it comes out easy. Then we take our new one. Just remember which way the pins are connected, and just put it in there until then. Whenever you push it in, just make sure that the switch is off. So basically this has to be pushed all the way in. So push this all the way in, maybe backed up just tiny bit so you can see just the beginning of the plastic there, and twist it back in place. And that's it. Connect the plug. There we go. Make sure it doesn't come out. Test it out a little bit. Yep. Alright, so now let's start the truck, and we're gonna go in the back and we will check if the brake lights are working now or not. Alright, so that's the moment of truth. Let's find out if the brake lights are working now. And as you can see, they're working. Awesome. Nice. So that was just a quick and easy fix. I don't know how much I was able to record it on my phone, because I was not planning to do that today or anything. I was not prepared. But all it was is this little switch that went bad. And thankfully, with the help of a OBD scanner, I was able to find out what's the issue. And I was actually, this could be very bad. That could be in any car accident. If somebody didn't see my brake lights in the back, boom, they hit me in the back, or the police will stop me and give me a big ticket or something, I don't know. But luckily we evaded all of that with that scanner. So that was a great investment. I'm lucky. I'm so happy I got it. It was a bit pricey, but in the long run it saves you so much money. So on this happy note, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. Until next time. Hey guys, it's actually been a few days since I did this video for changing the brake switch. Not the brake switch, but the stop switch lamp or stop switch brake, whatever that is. That module that went bad underneath the brake pedal. And what do you know? just doing that actually fixed multiple issues. I no longer have those dash lights on. They're gone, completely gone. Before, when I used to do some work on a truck and I was fixing some codes and stuff like that, those codes would disappear, but after a while, like 10-15 minutes of drive, they would come back. But I actually waited 2 days with extended driving, and those codes, there's no lights. So that breaker underneath the pedal was actually causing the VDC issue and the sleep light to be on. Wow, I'm impressed, and I'm happy that finally I got rid of those lights. So that, the BlueDriver really saved my butt. Not only it saved me from an accident or police, it actually fixed even those issues. I was able to pinpoint that I have issue with that. I don't have a brake lights working. I fixed that, and now it's all good. I'm so happy. So anyways, I hope you guys having a good time. I hope you guys think ahead that you might need that device as well. It could be very, not only money but life-saving as well. So as always, I'm gonna leave the description and the link so you can go and buy that unit over there, and always check that sometimes it's on sale. And yeah, even if it's not on sale, what $100 versus saving your life or getting in an accident? I really highly recommend getting that unit. I'm not being sponsored by them or anything, I'm just from my own experience. Yeah, but anyways, and this happy note, I wish you guys have a good time, and until next time, bye.